Hi. Are you eating dinner? What do you got? You got chicken and green beans and a little bit of apple juice?
All my friends are dying to meet you, especially my teacher, Miss Bobby. I could get you into my class if you wanted to meet her.
I guess I could get Mama's little buttermilk later.
Good. Since today's show and holiday, you can do cooking.
What do I have to do?
Just keep cleaning stuff and let me show you and tell about it.
Adam,
Hey, do I look okay?
why don't you pick up some food? Need it. Or are we just in the play mode? Can I take that? It's all empty. Have a piece of chicken? Oh, you want juice?
Hey, what are all these kids doing here? Look here, kids. I'm not exactly a real superhero.
I've got a real thing.
There you go.
Big, strong superhero.
You want a piece of chicken?
Let me comb my hair real
Hey, pick it up and eat it. You silly. Here. Give me your spoon. You gotta eat it. Go pick it up and eat it, huh? Oh, here you go. There you go. Now you eat it. Good job. Is that not delicious? Yum. Can you drink some juice? Want a little bit of juice to help wash it down? Go ahead, drink your juice. Help wash it down. No, don't give your juice to the dog. You silly. Drink your juice. Good job. All right, Adam. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Did you set your cup on the other table?
I love you guys.
Oh, I love you too, Aid.
Can I just try a waffle?
Oh, sure. I'll get you a waffle in just a second, okay?
Don't put anything on it.
Okay, I won't. All right, Adam. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.